Beef rendang is a delicious Indonesian curry dish that features tender beef slow-cooked in coconut milk and aromatic spices. Here's a recipe you can try at home. Ingredients: 2 pounds beef chuck or round, cut into cubes, 2 cans of coconut milk, 13.5 ounces each, 2 stalks of lemongrass, bruised 6 kaffir lime leaves, 2 turmeric leaves. Optional: 2 tablespoons tamarind paste, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, salt to taste, sugar to taste, spice paste, 8 shallots, 6 garlic cloves, 3 red chilies, deseeded, 3 dried chilies, deseeded, 1 inch ginger, 1 inch galangal, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Instructions: blend all the spice paste ingredients in a food processor or blender until you get a smooth paste. Heat the oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the spice paste and sauté for about 5 minutes until fragrant. Add the beef and stir until the beef is browned on all sides. Add the coconut milk, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, turmeric leaves, if using tamarind paste, salt, and sugar. Stir well and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let the beef simmer for 3 to 4 hours until the sauce has thickened and the beef is tender. Stir occasionally to prevent the sauce from sticking to the pot. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and sugar as needed. Serve hot with steamed rice. Enjoy your homemade beef rendang.